Hola a todos, gracias por regresar a ver otro video motivacional de limpieza aquí en Rosas Home TV. En el video de hoy estaré organizando y limpiando mucho. Estaré limpiando la cocina, limpiando profundamente mis sofás, doblando la ropa, organizando mi despensa y los juguetes de mi bebé. Si eres nuevo aquí, bienvenido, mi nombre es Darelis y en este canal hago videos de limpieza, organización, decoración. Si te gustan los videos de limpieza motivadores como este, no olvides en suscribirte para no perderte ninguno de mis futuros videos.
I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in
La siguiente parada será una limpieza profunda de mis sofás. Ya mis sofás estaban listos para una limpieza profunda, así que voy a empezar por aspirarlos y luego usaré una pequeña máquina para limpiarlos muy bien.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
Lo que ven aquí son unas líneas que hizo el más pequeño de la casa, así que voy a estar utilizando este spray que se llama Awesome. Me encanta este spray de limpieza porque puedes utilizarlo literalmente para muchas cosas. Lo puedes utilizar para la carpeta, para manchas, para grasa y para muchas otras cosas más. De verdad que es increíble y lo mejor es que lo compré en la tienda del Dollar Tree. Me encanta.
Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop it.
Mientras eso se seca, seguiré adelante y prepararé la pequeña máquina para limpiar profundamente los sofás.
Leaving we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Ahora voy a dejar que los sofás se sequen y pasaré a doblar algunas ropas que lavé esta mañana.
Baby, we should start living now. I don't want.
Yo diría que esta es una de las cosas menos que me gustan hacer, doblar la ropa. Pero siempre trato de asegurarme de guardar la ropa de inmediato en los cajones para no tener que pensar y estresarme por doblar la ropa. Así de esa manera la próxima vez que lo pienso no me siento estresada y me siento bien y me relajo el saber que ya todo está hecho.
Wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
La próxima parada es el área de juguetes de mi bebé. Quiero organizar sus juguetes, aunque sé que no durará mucho la organización, pero está bien. También estoy tratando de encontrar un almacenamiento diferente para sus juguetes porque el que ves ahora no es suficiente para sus juguetes.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up.
A continuación voy a organizar mi pequeña despensa. Esta despensa ha sido descuidada y necesita un poco de organización porque realmente no puedo ver ni saber lo que tengo. Entonces, una vez que esté todo organizado, veré lo que tengo y lo que necesito comprar. Así que no tengo que comprar dos veces la misma cosa.
haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together. And your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much time it takes. I just can't give up. Whoa, I just can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't give up. Oh, baby, I just can't give up. I just can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
Y este es el resultado. Me encanta cómo se ve ahora, muy limpio y organizado. Espero que les guste este video y lo encuentren motivador para ustedes. Gracias por haber estado aquí. No olvides en suscribirte y estaré hablando con todos ustedes en mi próximo video.